Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up recurring tasks in Monday.com so you can automate those regular to-dos and make sure nothing important ever slips through the cracks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create tasks that automatically reappear at just the right moments, whether it's for daily check-ins, weekly reports, or even annual reminders. If you've ever felt bogged down by remembering routine tasks, this is going to save you valuable time and mental energy. Let's jump right in. First, open up your board in Monday.com, the board where you want these recurring tasks to appear. This is typically where you track your workflow, your team's activities, or a specific project. At the top of your board, you'll notice a button labeled Automations. Go ahead and click that. The Automations button is your gateway to all the workflow magic Monday.com can offer. When the Automation Center opens, you'll see a collection of possible automations. Just take a moment to browse if you're curious. But for now, we're going to focus on setting up a recurring task. Now, look for the automation that says something like, every time period, create an item. In the latest versions, especially if you're using Monday.com in 2025, you'll see options styled as every day, every week, every month. Basically, this lets you tell Monday.com, I want a new task to pop up for me on a set schedule. Click the one that best matches the frequency you're working with. For example, if you want daily reminders, choose every day. This automation is brilliant for any repetitive work, like daily check-ins, weekly team reviews, or monthly reports. Imagine never having to manually add those tasks again. The system takes care of it behind the scenes. Let's configure your recurring task. This is where you really tailor things to fit your routine or your team's needs. First, set how often you want this task to recur. You can pick daily, every weekday, weekly on specific days, monthly, either by date or by weekday, like the first Monday, or even annually. For instance, if you're assigning daily check-ins, you'd set it to every day. If it's a team sync every Friday, select weekly and the right day. Next, decide what time each new task should be created. You might prefer to have your tasks appear bright and early, say 8 a.m. when your day starts, or maybe later depending on when your workflow picks up. Setting the exact time helps ensure that tasks pop up when you're most likely to see them, so they never get buried in yesterday's list. Now, fill in the details for the new item. Give it a clear name like Daily Check-in, so it's instantly recognizable. Assign it to yourself, a teammate, or even a whole group, whatever fits the way your team works. Then, specify the due date logic. For daily tasks, you might set the due date as today, so it's due the same day it's created. For weekly or monthly tasks, match the due date to when you need that work done. For example, monthly report could be due on the last day of the month. Set the status, usually something like to do, so it's clear that it's ready for action. You can even set the priority, helping you or your team quickly spot what's most urgent. Taking these few extra moments now will make your whole workflow smoother every time the task comes around. Finally, once you're happy with how your recurring task is set up, hit Submit. And that's it. Your task will automatically create itself over and over, exactly as you've designed. It's a small setup now for a big time saver later. If at any point the options feel overwhelming, don't worry. You can always come back and tweak your automation as your needs change. Think of automations like having a reliable assistant keeping you organized, even when life gets busy. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions about automations or need help customizing your workflow, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more practical Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.